Help Mommy with the laundry. Oh boy. Good job.
Yay, baby.
Bib. Get your bib in there. And your bloomer. And your diapers. Yeah. And what else? Now that's Daddy's shirt. Let's not put that in there. Sock.
A baby sock.
A bib. There it goes. Yay!
How about baby's other sock? See baby sock? What?
You got a diaper and a sock? Oh boy. Good job. And a onesie. Yep. And Daddy's boxers. Oh boy. Good job, honey. And another bib. Okay. And a sock. Good job. And Mommy's underwear. Yay!